Alright, so we got Bostitch Flash TM Pro 9 feet and 5 inches hot pull laminator.
Alright, so today we are unboxing our laminator, and welcome back, kings and queens. Welcome if you're new here. We got a laminator a little while ago, and so we are unboxing this bad boy to see what we can do. Alright, Faith.
So we got this, which I think it is instructions.
Yeah, instruction manual. Okay. Got that?
I thought laminators were smaller than this.
Okay. Easy with it.
So this is
Turn it
heavy.
down gently. I think you turned it upside down. Turn it over.
Oh man.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, that is heavy. And it literally also hurt my arm and finger.
So, help me out here. Let's get this off. I'll lift it up. You slide the plastic off. I said I'll lift it up. You slide the
For a
plastic.
second, I was thinking like the other way.
Okay, don't punch me in the face here. Okay. See, it's not that big.
Maybe I think of a store laminator, but this seems big for a
It's
laminator.
not that big. If I hold it up next to my Cricut mat so people can see. See? The Cricut mat is 12 by 12 inches. So the laminator is a little more than 12 inches.
It doesn't. What does a laminator do?
It laminates typically paper, but it'll take a flimsy sheet of paper and make it feel stiff like that.
So maybe I'm thinking of a label maker.
I'm not sure what you're thinking of. But, okay, so there's some clamps here.
That's what they're called?
These
They
look
look like
what?
I was about to say they look like little parts of a chain belt.
No, they actually look like the little clips that go on name tags. So I guess you can make, like teachers wear the lanyards with the name tags on them.
Yeah.
So it looks like that's what that's for.
I mean, for example, that literally has one hanging out somewhere.
Right. Well, and this laminator comes with, if we look at the box, it comes with 50 free pouches.
What does it mean by pouch?
See these sheets? When you put
so
your
like
paper
this.
in it and runs through, that's a laminating pouch. So this comes with 50 free pouches. It says 24 per minute laminating speed, heats up in 60 seconds, 4 roller laminating system. So now we are going to read this instruction manual and see what we can do here. So, I don't want to keep turning people every kind of way to make people
Busy, sick.
Yeah. So, alright, so these are laminating pouches. Oh, these are cool. Okay, so it looks like it's different sizes.
Yeah, I see.
So, you have large sheets.
This feels like plastic.
Yeah. That's pretty much what it is.
Ow.
So, you have large sheets.
Or a plastic version of a dumpling.
Okay.
But dumplings are thick and long.
So, the
Plastic
large sheets
version.
look like standard 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper.
You can check if you want.
No, not right now. And then they have some smaller sheets. This looks like probably a 3 by 5. Go ahead, Faith. I know you want to measure it.
Yeah. Alright, so it's actually a 4 by 6.
Okay, so that's 4 by 6.
You
You want to do the first one again?
Sure.
Go ahead, go for it.
Oops. I gotta get this thing straight. I'd say about 11, no, 12 by 9.
Okay. I'm thinking it's probably, let me see. Oh, you're right. Okay. Good job.
Never got my
Alright.
measuring skills.
Oh, you got one on me. And then there's one more. It's this one. Can you measure this one for me? Now, this looks like ID card size.
I'm just rolling this up some because this is short. We're gonna really need it. I'd say it's probably about a 2 by 4, but we gotta measure it. Right.
Okay, go ahead. I was going to say 2 by 3. Let's see what we get here. Alright, so is that 2?
I'd say that's actually about, wait, 2.5.
Okay.
So 2.5 by 4.
Good job. Your measurements are on point. Awesome. Alright, so these are the sheets that come with it. And they are all, yeah, they're all pouches. So you can put something inside of them, run it through the laminator, and create whatever you want to create. These would be cute for like luggage tags or what have you. I'm going to have to wrap these back up and probably Ziploc them. So I'm going to look at the instructions. Doing this with one hand is a challenge. Alright, so laminator cleaning sheet. You can see here, keeps it operating at an optimum level. The back of this sheet is plain. And I'm going to find the manual.
If you want, I can read it.
No, I think I'm going to pause these guys as I look through the manual and come back.